Now let's talk about the AC/DC control panel that's located just above the microwave behind two wooden doors in the cabinetry. This is where you have your C-zone system, your AC breakers, your DC breakers, and a diesel gauge. In the top left corner of this cabinet, we have the audible bilge alarm. That's what will sound if your bilge alarm goes off. If the water level increases in the bilge to a point where it trips the float switch, this is where the alarm will originate. Next to that, we have an analog diesel gauge. This tells you the level of diesel fuel in your tank. Below that is a diagnostics port for the C-zone system. That is used for setting up and adjusting C-zone circuits. The C-zone system on this boat is a digital switching system that allows you to control all of the vessel's functions through this touch screen that's located in this cabinet. If you roll down on the right-hand side of it, you can see where you have vessel management, house, take it back, lighting. All the appliances that are operated electrically on this boat on the DC side are controlled through the C-zone system. The C-zone digital switching system on this boat is very intuitive. Once you start rolling through the different menus, you'll see how everything works. I highly recommend that you go to your manual on the C-zone system to learn it and to get optimal performance from it. The 120/240 volt AC system panel is a custom panel that's made for the 438 Evolution. We have a switching slide here that allows you to select the generator or the shore power. Right now it's set on shore power. It's a 50 amp service. You can see your line voltage and your load current. This is what the appliances that you're using would draw. Beneath the slide switch for the shore generator power, you have breakers that are actually the switches for the various circuits that are installed on the boat. You have outlets, refrigeration, accessories that can be used for whatever else you might install on the boat after you get it. There are battery chargers, air conditionings. There's a stabilizer on this boat, so this is the switch for the Seakeeper. And you also have a cooktop, which has a breaker here, and there are a series of spares that allow you to use them for whatever you decide that you'd like to use them for. In the top right-hand corner of this cabinet, we have the control for the Kohler diesel generator. This is the same generator that we use in many of our models, and we will explain its operation later in this video.